worth of groceries looks like in 2024. Not too upset. I'm actually like relieved to have groceries in the house because we have not been eating at home a lot recently. It's been even more insane since we got back from Texas. You know how it is, like when you get back from a trip, like, and trying to adjust back to your routine and trying to like just cook at home. Once you get in the habit of eating out, it's very hard to stop. So that leads me to my next point and the reason why I splurged on groceries, because usually we wouldn't do all this. We would usually just buy like groceries for like the next 3 days and then go from there so we don't waste. But I did this so that I can force myself to cook and eat at home because I have been seriously struggling for the past couple days. Actually, since we got back from Texas, it's like as soon as we got back, boom, I broke out in eczema rashes all over my body. My face broke out really bad, which that never happens to me. Like, I'll have bumps here and there. It's TMI, I'm giving you a warning, skip ahead. But I also have an infection right now. And my ladies who are watching know that it is one of the worst things ever.
Well, be transparent.
Oh, I'm always gonna be transparent. I also think I have a little bit of thrush, which is the most disgusting part if you ask me. That leads me to all of this because I am 95% sure that I have candida overgrowth in my stomach, which is basically just like an overgrowth of bad bacteria in your stomach. Actually have done my research on this for years because I've had gut issues for years. And so this is not the first time that I suspect that I have candida overgrowth. I've had gut issues since I was like 12. So this is not like new to me or like any new research, but I'm pretty sure that it's just like an all-time high right now because I've never had all the symptoms in conglomeration at one time. It's been absolutely miserable. Like, I haven't went to work for the past 2 days because when I say that putting on clothes was just like so, oh, I don't even want to think about it. I'm getting emotional. But like, putting on clothes was just too much because I am itching so bad, like from head to toe. Like, if you have eczema, you know how bad it can get. But this has been like the worst that it's been in my adult life ever. I literally have so many breakouts all over my skin to the point where I have just been living in oatmeal baths. I feel the most relief when I'm in a bath, and like for that 20, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, however long I'm soaking in the bath, I don't itch. And it is the best feeling ever. I broke down this morning. I had a little cry. I only let myself cry for like 30 seconds though. Because as a sister who has struggled with depression, I know that if I sit in it, I will sit in it. The things that I'm doing to treat it is natural. Like, I'm not gonna go to a drugstore and just try a drug because somebody told me to, because they think that they have candida too. It's like, no, the things that I'm doing is literally natural. I'm just changing my diet. At this point, I haven't bought any supplements or anything like that. I'm probably gonna look into that for like the long haul just to kind of maintain the healing. But right now, all I'm doing is changing my diet. So that can only help me. It's not gonna impact me negatively in any way. And it's probably gonna help me get these last 40 pounds off that I've been trying to get off for the past 2 months. So yeah, so let's just get into it. I got 3%. Let's see if I can run it down real quick. Celery, romaine, shredded carrots, cucumber, zucchini, yellow zucchini, lemons, cilantro, pepper, onion, broccoli, red cabbage, green cabbage, iceberg lettuce, spaghetti squash, unsalted cashews, basil, tomatoes, diced mushrooms, and blueberries, strawberries, cauliflower rice, sweet potato, spinach, chicken sausage, wild caught salmon, ground turkey, all of those, teriyaki, sunflower butter, aioli. Just can't give up everything. Dijon mustard, relish, oils, tomato, basil, free eggs. You know me, you know. I have to have poppy, classic colas, cherry limeades, strawberry limes. See if they're chips. guys. My friend Shonda is coming over probably in about an hour or so, and she's actually bringing her friend who's here from out of town visiting. I've never met her before, but she has been staying with Shonda for the past couple weeks, and I didn't realize that, so I just invited her over and she accepted the invite. So I guess this has turned into a little girls' night or whatever. About to just do my skincare. I just got out the shower. So did my hair, did my skincare. Feeling real fresh. The girls actually are at a restaurant right now eating. So I am actually getting ready to cook some dinner for Bae and I. I'm gonna be making ground turkey teriyaki bowls.
Y'all, welcome to ambernicolehooks vlog. It's giving lifestyle, it's giving Jesus, and it's giving get your life. It's a Saturday night and we're hanging out with the girlies in Amber's new home. House tour, we got it, you didn't. Hope you get to get it soon.
Oh my gosh.
And she's actually about to make me one of her coffee, what do you call it, Am?
Whipped coffee.
One of her whipped coffees with her fancy coffee station. So very excited to be a part of the bougie committee, you know, the aesthetic girly committee, you know. I'm excited for that. I'm actually a coffee addict. This isn't about me though, this is about Amber. Subscribe, hit that subscribe button. This is my friend Nadia. She's here all the way from London, across the sea.
London
Represent, and she is made a friend in Nova.
I wouldn't say friend's best friend.
Best friends. Nova's kind of obsessed, right, Novi? You obsessed? Oh, you're so cute. Oh my gosh. You literally don't eat my hair. Oh my gosh, you are the sweetest little puppers ever. Yes, I have coconut oil on my arms. Yes, I do.
No, come here.
Ting. Don't hate y'all. Oh my goodness, Amber.
Is it good?
Wow. Wow.
She got a little bit for tonight.
I gotta put the camera down and give God praise.
Wait, is it really that good?
It's good. It's good. He deserves. You asked her for it? What did you ask her for?
Some still water.
Some still water.
Some water.
Is that an American accent? Is that an American accent?
Do you want ice?
Yes. Is that an American accent?
Yeah.
We do not sound like
You
that.
kind of do.
We don't.
You do.
Anyway, so we're in Am's house, and you know, this place is so lovely. We've been telling her it's so peaceful, it's so calm. It's exactly the vibe that she wants. It's such a blessing to be here. It's so spacious and nice. You know, I've been in the first two apartments. They were beautiful for what they were in those seasons, but this,
In those seasons.
God did
Very
his,
much in those seasons.
in those seasons. God did his big one with this one though. Yo, Cameron, this ain't my. I don't know what to do.
Oh,
This
turn
is
it
you.
off.
No, it's you. Not the Debbie, right? Not the Debbie.
I love a little. Hello, everyone. Today is Sunday. Just got back from church. I know it doesn't look like it. I just put on the biggest, comfiest clothes I have because that's what Sundays are for. Hopefully I inserted some clips before this of us going to the art walk in our neighborhood. I got something. Girls growing up were purchasing from actual artists. But I bought something from one of the artists that were at the art walk. His name is William Steffen. Here's his card. He does All Things Wood.
It ain't.
You know, you gotta get up the frame. All Things Wood by William Steffen. This beauty.
Where you want to put it?
Oh my gosh. So I got this
Are we putting
walnut.
it right here?
I was thinking about that.
For the
I got
creases?
this walnut dish. This is handmade. And it is solid.
You got there.
It's solid walnut. I don't know if you guys can see all the detail. But I'm very happy with this. We're thinking about having like making it like a catch-all tray. He says that if we do that, we need to oil it. Make sure we constantly oil the wood. So yeah, I do want to start supporting more local artists. I do want to start like buying from actual artists instead of just like Home Goods or Amazon and stuff like that. So, and I know that that's gonna take like time. So like over time we'll accumulate a good collection of things, but that's why, you know, you just start now. You just buy one thing and just keep it going. So the next thing I want to do is find some black art or some prints done by black artists. I really like photography and I really like prints. So that's like my style. So I'm trying to like unbear these walls because I think that that is one home decor aspect that I neglect. Yeah, I think that's one home decor aspect that I neglect is like buying actual art and prints to go on the walls. Like the walls be given bare, and I feel like that's what really makes a home. So starting small. So yeah, I'm currently making some rice because yesterday you guys saw me. Actually, I didn't come back to you guys to show you the finished product of the Asian teriyaki turkey bowls.
Show them.
I showed myself like chopping up the veggies and stuff, but it got really tight for time because Nadia and Shonda were like 5 minutes away, so I didn't want to be like trying to record. It just got really, I had to hurry up and cook it. We do have leftovers, so I'm going to just warm this up. It's enough, I don't eat that much. Probably doesn't look like much, but this right here is so freaking good. And it was very easy to make. It's literally just ground turkey, a bunch of veggies, and teriyaki sauce. And this is so freaking good. I'm eating mine with cauliflower rice because I'm trying to lay off of the carbs and stuff. And then I'm just making white rice for Bae over there.